You want to know what the number one overlooked root cause of prostate issues is? Root cause. Lymphatic congestion. No, it's not inflammation. No, you're wrong. Your prostate sits like deep in your pelvis, like right there between lymph nodes. Lymph nodes drain right there. Toxins from your gut, your liver, your genitals. It all kind of just seeps down right there. And so when that system gets backed up from too much sitting, poor diet, emotional stress, the prostate is stuck right there in the middle of a swamp, a toxic swamp. And that agitates it. And you get swelling, pressure, pain. Going to the bathroom at night. You just, because the prostate can't clear out its waste. It's sitting in its own waste. And that is a huge cause for inflammation. But you want to know how to reverse it naturally? I'm going to tell you right now. Yeah, so here's how you want to clean out your lymphatic waste and toxins from around your prostate. This is how you're going to do it. You got to start by doing some type of pelvic movement every day. You got walking, you got squatting, or stretching. Okay, so you're going to pick one. Either going to join a yoga studio, or you're going to walk 20 minutes a day, brisk walking, or you're going to do squats every day. You can do squats. That's my favorite. 150. I'm up to like 220 a day sometimes. Not always, but take one and focus on it. I'm gonna give you some herbs, help you drain your lymphatic. Red root. You got red root, that has an affinity for your lymphatic system, and you got cleavers. So there's an herb called cleavers. And just drink some warm water in the mornings, lemon juice, and massage the crease at your legs. And you got a crease right between where your legs meet your torso, like as if you were wearing, bikini underwear, those tight white underwears or whatever. You want to massage that area. Get out of the shower, throw on a little lotion, and just massage the crease. A couple times a week. That's where you have lymph channels right there that run through that whole region, and that activates the lymph flow, right? Because there's no pump. So you have to activate it to move the toxins out. Okay? Got it? Follow for more prostate healing truths they don't teach you about in mainstream medicine.